This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert slides into images in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. I have a little example presentation here. To download a slide as an image, Google Slides does not allow you. There's no built-in way to download an entire set of slides. You have to do them individually, and what you'll do is select the slide that you want to download as an image. Say that I want to download this one here. I'm going to select it. Then you'll go up to the top up here, up to the File tab, click on File, and then you want to go down and place your cursor over Download, and you'll go straight off to the right, and you have the option of downloading it as a JPEG image or as a PNG image. Either one of those two. I'm going to select PNG image. I'm going to click on it. A little dialog box opens up asking me where I want to download this image to. I'm going to download it to this folder here. I'm going to click on Save. Then I'm going to open up that folder. There is my image right there. I'm going to double click on it to open it. That is the slide that I downloaded into an image. I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to go back to Google Slides. But that is how you download a slide as an image in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.